Mujahid, may Allah have mercy on him, narrates that once Hazrat Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "Do you know how vast hell is?" I replied, "No." He said, "Indeed, you will not know. The distance between the earlobes of the people of hell will be equivalent to a journey of 70 years, and within it will flow valleys of pus and blood." I asked, "Rivers?" He corrected me, saying, "Not rivers, but valleys." Then he asked again, "Do you know how vast hell is?" I replied, "No." He said, "Indeed, you will not know." Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha told me that she asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about a verse, and he explained that on the day of judgment the entire earth would fit in the palm of the hand, and the heavens would be rolled up in the right hand. Then she asked, "O Messenger of Allah, where will the people be on that day?" He replied, "They will be on the bridge over hell." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23755.